320 grams puff pastry. Roll out the puff pastry. Hello my friends and welcome. I hope everyone is well. Are you watching my channel? Cut the puff pastry into 6 equal parts. Get a cup muffin tray. Place the puff pastry inside the tray. Make different shapes. One egg. Let's crack the egg. Whisk the egg. Do egg wash on the inside. Poppy seeds. Sprinkle the poppy seeds all over. 100 grams strawberries jam. Place a spoonful of jam in each cup. Walnuts. Place the walnuts. Looking good so far. $200 grams Brie cheese. If you like to have an amazing Japanese knife like this one, you can find the link below on description. I will cut about 6 chunks of cheese. Place the cheese in. Honey. A few more walnuts on top. Bake at 190°C or 375°F until golden brown. Amazing! Smells so good! A bit more honey on top. Enjoy! $320 grams of puff pastry. Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. From which country are you watching my channel? Let me know in the comments. Let's stretch the puff pastry a little with a rolling pin. Support my channel. Subscribe my channel, please. One egg. Let's crack the egg. Whisk the egg. Let's give an egg wash to the puff pastry. If you like to have an amazing Japanese knife like this one, you can find the link below on description. 3 kiwis. Let's peel the kiwis. Slice the kiwi. Let's create 3 lines of kiwi. Honey. Add honey. Sprinkle brown sugar on top of the honey. Poppy seeds. Sprinkle the poppy seeds on top of the kiwi. Desiccated coconut. Sprinkle the desiccated coconut. Let's roll the puff pastry. Roll up with the help of the parchment paper. Brush the top with egg. Add a bit more honey. Sprinkle poppy seeds on top. Sprinkle a bit more of desiccated coconut on top. Cut 10 to 12 slices. Place it on a baking tray. Bake at 190 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit until golden brown. Looking good! Icing sugar. Sprinkle with icing sugar. Enjoy!